Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Think Different. This is Chatriya Varman. Today in our channel we about acids, bases and salts. So without delaying, let's go into the video. Before going into the video, subscribe our channel to get our notifications immediately. Okay, now let's go into the video. First, let us see what is acid. Acid is nothing but the tastes sour is called acid and it is the water solution. Acid, any substance that in water solution tastes sour, change the color of certain indicator, reddens blue litmus paper, reacts with some metals to liberate hydrogen, reacts with bases to form salts and promotes certain chemical reactions. As I told, acid is nothing but a water solution, tastes sour. It is in sour in taste and it changes colors in indicators from reddens blue litmus paper. Litmus paper is nothing but it is an indicator. After finishing base, we'll see indicator. What is indicator? And it will react with some metals also and reaction with bases which neutralizes. Let us see what is neutralizes after indicators. Now we know what is acid. Now let's see what are physical properties of acids. Acids, as I told before, acids are sour in taste and they are water soluble. First point is acids are sour. Second point is acids are water soluble. Third point is solutions of acids can turn blue litmus paper to red. As I told, solutions of acid. In acid, if we dip the litmus paper, it turns from blue to paper red. And fourth point is acid solution have pH values lesser than 7. The acid solution has lesser than 7 pH values. And the fifth point is react with metal carbonates to produce salt, carbon dioxide and water. It will react with metal and produce salt, carbon dioxide and water. These are some physical properties of acid. Now let's see some common names of acid. I have taken 6 common strong acids. They are hydrochloric acid, which is short form HCl, hydrobromic acid HBr, hydride acid HI, sulfuric acid H2SO4, nitric acid HN03, perchloric acid HCI04. These are some common names of acids, 6 common names and strong acids. Now we know what is acid, properties of acid and common names of acid. Now let's see what is base. The base is nothing but a substance that tastes sour. Not sour, it is bitter. It is called base. Substances like these which are bitter in taste and feel soapy on touch are known as bases. The chemical nature of such substances is said to be basic. As I told, bases is nothing but the taste that is bitter is called or soapy touch is called bases. And the chemical nature of such substances is said to be basic. We know what is bases now. Now let's see some properties of bases. First point is solution of bases are also electrolytes. It is the electrolytes. And second one is bases often have the taste bitter and it has the soapy touch. That is called bases. And third point is bases also change. As I told, acid also change colors in indicators, so that the bases also changes colors in indicators. Fourth point is bases do not react with metals but acid react with metals. This is the difference between acid and base. And the fifth point is bases react with acids to produce salt and water. As I already told, acid reacts with base and get salt, carbon dioxide and water, and bases react with acid and get produce salt and water. These are some properties of bases. Now let's see some common names of bases. Some common strong alkaneous bases include potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, barium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, strontium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, lithium hydroxide, rubidium hydroxide. These are some names of bases. Now let's see what is indicators. As I told before, indicator is nothing but it helps us to find given substance is acid or base. In indicators, many indicators are there. Let me tell a few examples of indicators. First one, litmus paper. I told what is litmus paper. Second one is turmeric. Turmeric is also an indicator. And third one is China, also an indicator. I'll tell how to make a turmeric indicator. First, take 2 pastes of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of turmeric and mix it with water and make a paste and cut 2 strips of paper and dip it into the turmeric what we did as paste and dry it fully. After drying, try it in an acid substance. Acid is sour. Lemon juice. You can try it with a lemon juice. If the colors changes into red, then it is an acid. If the colors changes into blue, then it is an base. This is indicators. There are many types of indicators. Let me tell you. Litmus paper, as I told. Then universal indicator, metal red indicator, phenol thin indicator, then bromomethyl blue indicator, then turmeric indicator, China rose indicator. These are some types of indicators. These are indicators. Now let's see what is neutralization. As I told before, neutralization is nothing but the reaction between acid and base is called neutralization. If we put acid and base together, what will we get? We get salt. Salt and water and carbon dioxide. This is called neutralization. Neutralization of acid and base is salt, water or carbon dioxide. This is called neutralization. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like my video, share, like, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.